Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about these modules, and all four of them are doing the same purpose, but they are different models. So let's start today's video. It's like a gadget show 2026 on Hacktuber channel. Take a look. Here I have my latest matrix effect on the 3.5 inch TFT screen. Here I have the flexible LED matrix. I have my beautiful voice controlled bar graph. I have my badge which support me on my coffee page, and here it is, the very popular round ESP32, I think 1.4 inches TFT touchscreen, and all the links will be in description below so you can check them. But as I told you, in today's video we're gonna speak about these boards that I'm holding in my hands. All four of these modules are breakout boards for ATX power supply, just like this one. This one, it's a old, I think 450 watts PC ATX power supply. And what is a ATX breakout board? It's a module that converts a standard desktop PC power supply PSU into a versatile benchtop power supply, providing easy access to positive 12 volts, negative 12 volts, positive 5 volts, positive 3.3 volts rails, and typically supports 20 or 24 pin ATX connectors, featuring terminal posts, USB ports, and often adjustable voltage knob. So let's start with the first one and the cheapest one. This breakout board that on Aliexpress can be found for around $2. And what does it have? It has 4 fuses for all 4 different voltages on these connectors, and also we have 2 USB output connectors that giving maximum of 1 ampere, and we have on-off switch for triggering the ATX power supply to start working. Also support 20 and 24 pin connector from ATX. I'm gonna plug in, okay, and turning on, sorry, and it's working. We have red light, meaning that it's power on. You can hear it and see that the ATX is working. And using my multimeter, we're gonna measure the voltages. Let's do that. First I'm gonna start with 3.3 volts. Yes, we have 3.3, 5, positive 12 volts, and negative 12 volts. My ATX power supply is given 11.5. Maybe something is wrong, I don't know. And it's the smallest ATX breakout board and the cheapest one. Okay, let's see now the second one. And for around $4 from Aliexpress you can get this breakout board that also supports 20 and 24 pin connector ATX from power supply. But what is different about this, besides that have also 4 fuses and main power switch, this one, the output voltages are on the banana plugs, which is pretty nice, so you can attach wires very fast. Okay, let's try it. Okay, turning on, and it's working. I'm gonna measure the voltages one more time. 3.3, 5, 12 volts. Perfect. power off. So you can see the difference between the smallest and the cheapest one and this one. Alright, I'm gonna leave on the side, and let's see the next one, which is this one. And for around $8 from Aliexpress you can get this ATX Breakout Board. And by the way, the links for all the boards or modules will be in the description below, so you can check it. And what is special about this ATX Breakout Board, besides that supports the 20 and 24 pin connector, it have 8 USB ports. Isn't that nice? Also, we have LED indicators for all output voltages, and you can use this connector for the output voltages. And we do not have a power switch like on this board. It's a regular power switch. On this board we have a push button. With one button you can activate or deactivate the board. And I don't get it why I have infrared LED receiver right here. Never mind. I'm gonna plug in right now. Come on. And the LED, the green LED is turned on, meaning that it's working, that is plugged in, and with one push button you can activate. And take a look. It looks much better, and also it looks better because of the LEDs for indicating each output voltage. Perfect. And let's measure the voltages on this one. So we have positive 12 volts, we have 5 volts, we have 3.3, and where it is a negative, and here it is. Alright. And also on this ATX Breakout Board you can attach an external button for activating or deactivating the ATX power supply. Power off, power on. And to mention, on each USB connector it gives maximum 5 volts 2 amperes. Remember that. Okay, come on. Okay, and before I show you the last breakout ATX board, let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support my channel and support my work with coffee, with one or more coffees. And my latest monthly supporters are Matt S, who send me a couple of coffees every month. He is a monthly supporter. Nick, thank you Nick, thank you sir. The first monthly supporter and is the new supporter is Carmelo Cortez. Thank you sir very much for supporting my channel. JJG is also a monthly supporter. Kim Green, thank you sir for sending me a couple of coffees. And one of the first supporters is Dave Evans. Thank you. And now let's see the best ATX breakout board that you can find on Aliexpress, and it costs around $10 US. And also it's a kit. It comes together with a front transparent panel that you need to attach using screws, and also supports 20 and 24 ATX connector. But what is special about this? Let me plug in and let me show you. Also we have a green LED indicating that it's connected and turning on. Can you see now what is the difference? You can monitor on this LED voltmeter the highest voltage that is given by the ATX power supply, and that is 12 volts. Take a look. Power off, power on, and by the way, it looks awesome with the transparent panel on the front. And also this module, or this ATX breakout board, it have magnets, so you can stuck to the power supply just like this. Let me show you. Take a look. So it not going anywhere. Okay. The other things, it have 3 regular USB ports on the right side, and on the left side we have a PD quick charge USB outlet, and also we have Type-C connector right here that the maximum they can deliver, I think, 2 amperes. And besides giving 3.3, 5 volts, negative 12 volts and positive 12 volts, we have one more output right here on this connector that can be adjusted from 0 to 12 volts using this small multi-turn potentiometer. Isn't that nice? Let's measure the voltage on the adjustable connector, and it says 3.7 volts, and I can adjust that to any voltage from 0 to how much? To 12 volts, I think that is the maximum. Rotating 9. Okay, you get the point, and that is beautiful. Also, on the ATX breakout board, we have this DC jack that can be output or input. Yes, if you don't have a ATX power supply, you can use other power supply and hook it up right here. Many functions on this ATX board that I will place a link in description below so you can check it. And just to kill it, okay, I hope you enjoy in today breakout boards for the ATX power supply from PC computer, that I have 4 different ones, and that's it. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about this, and if you like it, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Gadget Show 2026 have ended.